my dear classmates, and all the present spectators. Today I am very happy as I have got an opportunity to deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion. Today is 15th August. On this very day in 1947, our country became a social democratic republic on this very day in 1947. We got the freedom not so easily. Many persons and personalities struggled the fight for the freedom of our country. Our leaders like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Mr. Fashuddin Ali Ahmad, Maulana Muhammad Ali Lohan, Maulana Shaukat Ali, Maulana Manzoor Haq, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Tipu Sultan, Mahatma Gandhi, a struggle a long period for the freedom of our country. During this struggle, many leaders were arrested and kept behind the bars. Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, and Bhagat Singh were